Inkundla yezemidlalo yeNike eSoweto inenselele enkulu yokumumatha izinkumbi zabathandi bebhola abathutheleka kuyo bezobukela imiqhudelwano lokhu kubonakale emqhudelwaneni iWalter Sisulu Discovery Challenge.
Bekugcwele phamana kuba isimo sezulu siphika kowamanqamo omqhudelwano iDiscovery Walter Sisulu Challenge.
I think moving forward, maybe we need to sit down with Nike if they are allowed to, because we need more grandstand now. If can, we have to sit with the city and look at to say, that's why I brought the MEC here today, I brought the MMC here today, to say maybe we need to look at going to Dobsonville or Orlando.
Ubukhona bezihlwele bulekelela nabadlali abasafufusa ukuzejwayeza ukugijima phambi kwezinkumbi zezihlwele.
Playing here and having to develop the courage and the character to play around a lot of people like this, you know, such a big crowd, it grooms you as a player, you know.
Nakuba lemiqhudelwano yasungulelwa ukuvundulula amakhono kepha akuwona wonke umdlalo obambe iqhaza onephupho lokudlala esigabeni esiphezulu sebhola likanobhutshuzwayo.
Sports is very critical in ensuring that you're able to redirect the energies that you have naturally and redirect it towards something that is developmental, that is good for them, and ensure that they'll be able to build a bright future for themselves.
Angaphezulu kwekhulu amaqembu abencintisana emqhudelwaneni iDiscovery Walter Sisulu Challenge.
There are a lot of corporates that can do the same thing, that can get behind, you know, the Kasi football tournaments that always happen in December and that have been happening for years and years and years, you know, that are attended every single year by so many people.
Kusenjalo, iMitho Stars iqonywe uphapheli igwalagwala njengompetha esigabeni sabesimame ngokuguqisa iRona FC sekhahlelwa amapenalty, kanti ke esigabeni sabesilisa iqembu elidle umhlanganiso iDube Continental eshaye iChillers.